Good morning. Enjoy the sunshine. We have nothing planned today other than just doing what we want and enjoying the outside. So I'm gonna get her set up a minute. Now I'm going to work on the greenhouse. Yesterday, I didn't film it, but I got the last of these walls done. Them all finished up. I'm not convinced. I think I might still go a bit higher once I dig out the inside of the greenhouse. Finish digging it out, putting in the gravel, all that kind of stuff. The higher they go, the more insulation I can put in, but ultimately the more insulation I can put in there, the earlier I can plant, because the warmer I can get it to stay. We can play in the sun? Yes. Once we're not hanging on for dear life here. Hi. Are we gonna play in the sun? Yeah. Our child is an escape artist already. And last time you were in here, you opened that. Yes, you did. I'm sure Dan has a carabiner or something more easily taken on and off, but for now, that's what I can find. And I don't want her randomly running around the yard like she was the other day. Well, that doesn't work anymore. I didn't open that. You did. I decided I'm going to do these. I'm going to try and get them all done today. I don't know if I'm going to get them all done today, but I've at least got all 6 sets of rafters now planed. So I've kind of smoothed them off on one side, all 6 pieces. I am going to give them a light sand. That's what I did on the actual main posts themselves, and I did that on the first set of rafters. It kind of seems to be helping them turn the kind of silvery gray that I'm looking for to match the rest of the garden structures. So I'll get those sanded and then start trying to make rafter sets, I guess. Seems very strange. I've been dreaming of this thing for such a long time. I cannot believe that I'm actually getting this close. Hey, you. Hi. Where are you going? Budgie. Hey. Apparently I had overly ambitious goals of getting these flattened on one side, sanded, and put up. Cut and attached today. Oh well. There was a few well-earned breaks for playtime in the tent with Budgie. So, but I still got quite a bit done. They're as I said, they're flattened, they're sanded. I did make a little bit of a mess. Nowhere near what Dan did to our lawn over there when he was trying to put the load of lumber over there. Dug a whole bunch of ditches with the truck. This can easily be raked up. Anyways, I'm going to pack this all up, call it a day, because tomorrow I need to switch back to focusing on wood chip stuff. I've got a whole bunch of orders, a few of them wholesale orders, so larger orders that need to get done. But that was a very lovely Sunday, spending time outside. Budgie is inside with Dan right now, but she was out here for quite a while. She enjoyed it. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye!